So this is part 3 of the peanut butter series videos. A different take on the peanut butter, more of a candy for the dessert. So what we have here is the brisket. I would say burnt ends. How I thought it was burnt ends, which was in the freezer. However, it wasn't. It was just some slices, which we'll make do for the video to give it the recipe, if you will. So what we just did was we used the homemade jalapeno pepper jelly. Link in the description on the recipe for that for that video. Very easy to do. Even a caveman could do it. So what we have here is the burnt ends covered in the pepper jelly, smoked on the big green egg for about 20 minutes, not very long, 250 degrees if that. So we have here, we have them here, kind of all good and coated with that amazing pepper jelly. So what we want to do is we have peanut brittle. And that's it. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So tight.
Want to try this?
No.
Why not?
I don't.
You sure?
I do not want to.
Okay. So brisket and peanut brittle. Not bad. I do like the heat from the jalapeno. It's still there. Definitely not gonna be knocking in the face with how hot it is. Not very high in the Scoville, especially with what they have nowadays. But anyway, so the peanut brittle adds a little sweetness, adds a little character to the ensemble, and I'm not sure if it looks all that appetizing, but I still think it tastes pretty good. And so this is the end of part 3 for the peanut butter cook. If we get some good feedback on this, maybe we'll keep doing a peanut butter series, because I'm definitely have enjoying the recipes the 2 other recipes that we did for this series. Them, of course, being the ABTs, which was the peanut butter and jelly wrapped in bacon, jalapenos, and of course the tri-tip with peanut butter and then wrapped in with the tri-tip and then dipped into the jelly. Absolutely phenomenal. So until next time, I'm gonna say thank you for stopping by, and until next time, keep barbecuing, America.